So I'm going to walk you through this process on how to solve this problem. If you are trying to import an ISC or a Google Calendar file to another Google Calendar or another person's calendar to your calendar, whatever it is, at times you're going to run into this error. And Google does not have a workaround, and it's really frustrating. So let me walk you through how to do this. This is the error message that you're going to get. You might get something like this: imported number of events, but you don't have the access or whatever. You're going to get multiple errors. And so let me walk you through how to do this. So the solution for this is right here. I will put the solution below in the description so you can just do that, but I'm going to walk you through it. So let's jump in. So if you're here, I'm assuming you already know about importing, exporting the file names and all that kind of stuff. So I have 3 files here, and I need to change this file using a text editor. So on a Mac, it's just called the text editor. On the PC, I'm not sure what it's called, but we're going to open this raw file of this Google Calendar. So I'm going to hit Control and then my trackpad. I'm going to go down to Open in Text Edit. And it's going to be a little bit smaller, so I'm going to try and make this a little bit bigger so you can see. And again, what we're doing is we're changing every instance of UID colon to UID colon X. And so the easiest way to do that is just find and replace. So we're going to hit Command F, and you'll see that I already have UID. I've already done this. So right there where it says UID, it's showing me all the instances in this message or in this file of that text. And so I have 103 events in this calendar. This is why I want to import it, so I don't have to duplicate all those. We're going to click on Replace. And then I'm going to just make this a little bit bigger. And right here, what we want to replace UID with, UID colon X. And then we're going to click All. And you'll notice that all of these have changed now to UID colon X. Before we leave this page, this is the most important part, you want to make sure that you click on File, Save. So that updates this file that we're going to import into our calendar. Now I'm going to close the text edit. I'm not going to close it. I'm just going to slide over to the calendar. We're going to click OK. And I am going to import a new calendar. So I'm going to refresh this page. And I'm going to, let's actually do it over here. So I'm going to select from my computer. Now I'm going to select the file that I've just had updated to, just updated the UID. So I'm going to click basic.ics, go down to Open, and then click on Import. And what we should see, if we've done this correctly, is it should say imported 103 out of 103 events. I hope this helped you. I know this was super frustrating, and you've probably been looking all over the internet, and you might not know how to do this. You might not be super tech savvy. I hope this helped you. If it did, give a like, subscribe, all that stuff that you do on YouTube. But I really hope that I saved you time, energy, and frustration. I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.